How to upload a video to Google Drive and share the link on Android. This tutorial shows you how to store a video in the cloud and send it to anyone in the drive. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android device. After that, tap the plus button at the bottom right corner to open the upload options. From there, tap on Upload and select the video you want to upload from your gallery. At this point, wait for the upload to complete. Depending on the size of the video and your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. In the next step, once the upload is done, find the video in your drive and long press on it to open the options menu. Following this, tap on Share to open the sharing settings for that file. Once done, tap on Copy Link to grab the shareable link for the video. From here, by default, the link may be restricted, so tap on the access settings and change it to anyone with the link, so whoever receives it can open it without needing a Google account. At this stage, make sure the permission is set to Viewer, so the recipient can watch the video but not make any changes to it. Finally, paste the link into any app, like WhatsApp, Messenger, or email, and send it to whoever you want to share the video with. And that's it. If this guide helped you upload and share a video on Google Drive on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.